Assalamu alaikum, मेरा नाम माहीन सुहेल है and I am a product designer working on future technologies like artificial intelligence and virtual reality at Facebook. Even though मैं अभी कैलिफोर्निया में रहती हूँ, मैं पाकिस्तान में पली बड़ी थी जहाँ पे I lived in Lahore and I went to Beacon House and after that I came to Canada to complete my studies. Outside of work, I run a bunch of side projects. For example, I run an Instagram channel called Rangeen Pakistan. Just I convert old black and white photos and videos of Pakistan into colored versions. Isme I post a lot of photos of historical figures, historical events, lekin also photos of and stories of our relatives from that time period. मैंने रंगीन पाकिस्तान इसलिए शुरू किया था क्योंकि बचपन में मैं काफ़ी कहानियाँ सुनती थी अबाउट द पार्टीशन. मेरी फैमिली इंडिया से पाकिस्तान माइग्रेट हुई थी और उस ट्रांजिशन में हमारे काफ़ी रिश्तेदार they weren't able to make it to Pakistan. And I was always really curious about those stories. And जिन grandparents से मैं नहीं मिली उनकी कहानी के बारे में I was very intrigued about what their story was. और जिन grandparents से मैं मिली they made sure to educate me about that time period. So today, when I started Rangeen Pakistan, I wanted to use that opportunity to elevate that time period, stories from that time period. I wanted to recall the values that Pakistan was built upon. I wanted to share stories of our great leader, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and I wanted to also educate myself. My process to convert these photos is a mix of using both AI and manual editing. There's a couple of public deep learning models out there that enable people to colorize photos. Lekin, ye deep learning models were trained on a data set that is not built for Pakistan. Yani, even though usse color of skin shayad guess ho paye, it will never be able to guess कि अगर ये एक dress है या अगर ये एक flag है तो इसका color क्या होना चाहिए. That's where I use my own creative abilities to enhance the images. I'll research that time period, I'll learn about what was more important and what colors were used at that time period to enhance the photos. If you're curious about any of my projects, please go to my website mahinsahil.com where you can send me photos and videos for Rangeen Pakistan. You can also ask me any questions you have about future technologies or about product design. Thank you.